Hey guys, I wanted to give you guys a little update on the Walipini. This time focusing on my little power station here. This is a Bluetti EB3A 600 watt. And anyway, I run it off, I charge it off these two 100 watt panels. I got 3 of these for $100 total off Craigslist. It's way more than I need. Charges up, and I use this with a little, my fan here is on. I still have to install this back in the window, but it's not quite hot summer yet. Has a little temperature sensor, so I plug this in here, and that will, see here, let's see, it should, so, oops, I do have to turn it on right here, turn the AC part on, and then I'll show you what else I turn on, and that should, is it on? It's not on. There, when it's green, and it's on. And it is 77 degrees in here. I think I have it set for 70 something. There we go. And that kicks on. Ventilates. It just moves the air around. I've got that fan running off a little solar panel on the outside. Anyway, so that fan operates right here. Then I plug in also some grow lights right here, and that turns these grow lights on. I've got 3 strung together on the shady side. See, this is the wall, the southern wall, so it creates some shade, and I need extra grow lights on that side just until things get to, once this tomato plant comes above here, then it will take off with the natural sunlight. And lastly, I will use this little DC power over here, turn green, and plug in another little fan, USB right here, a USB fan, which is just a little computer fan. There you go, and it just creates movement on my cilantro, which makes it stand up straighter. And downside. The downside is that this little power station does not like it really cold, and it does not like it really hot out. So unfortunately, I need it to kick this fan on in the summertime when it gets really hot in here, and that's when it shuts off. So I need to investigate. It shuts off at about 100 degrees, 105 degrees, and I need it to not do that. I did see one for sale at Costco that tolerates up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I think maybe that's all I wanted to tell you about that Bluetti. I really love having it. It powers what I need to power, except for that super hot days where it doesn't like to, just quits. And then you have to wait a little bit and turn it back on. Yeah. Any questions or any suggestions on how I can improve things, please leave comments below. Thank you.